My name is Jeff Selby. I'm the acting chairman of the Department of Orthopedics at University of Kentucky. This matters to patients because this is evaluated by other physicians that recommend these facilities, also by the consumers, and it takes a lot to be ranked by U.S. News and World Report. One of the things that we're most proud of is our staff that we have here at the University of Kentucky. Department of Orthopedic Surgery has specific staff in our operating rooms as well as on our nursing floors that really help to streamline the care. I know specifically in joint replacement, we have some of the best nurses in the city that are dedicated to our patients, and our patients routinely have compliments in leaving the floor that they were surprised how good a care they received. I think the success of orthopedics is based on the whole system that we have at the university. Our orthopedic surgeons work within the system of nurses and administration who are all looking after the patient's care and looking for ways to treat patients better every day. There's also research that's done in this hospital, and this will help keep us on top of our game when treating our orthopedic patients.